Is HeyPiggy really a way to potentially earn up to $10 per survey and a way to earn every single day, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and I recently came across this platform and decided to take a closer look at it. And let me just reveal that for some it can be quite a good opportunity, but of course to find out if it's the right opportunity for you or not, you need to know all the details. So in this HeyPiggy review, I will give you an inside look, show all the pros and the cons, how much you can earn and everything, so you can decide if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join HeyPiggy, so you know that before we take an inside look, so you can see how to use it. The platform, as you can see on the website also there, it is available in different languages, but you can also join from even more countries than these. In fact, you can join it from more or less all countries, but that does not mean that it will have equal opportunities for all countries. The best opportunities you can get is, for example, if you live in the US, the UK, Germany, or the rest of the EU, or also Latin America. And then also in Canada, Australia, and in certain Asian countries, you can find some good opportunities here. And you can join already when you are 14 years old, and it is super fast to sign up. You just need to go to the website. I will also leave my invitation link below, so you can go there if you decide to join after watching this video. Just click it, go to the website, register, verify your email, and then you can start earning right away. But first of all, you of course need to know how you can get paid, how much can you earn, and all this. So let me now log in, and then we'll take a closer look. So I have now logged into HeyPiggy, and I must say it is very user-friendly compared to many other survey sites. You just log in and it's very easy to get an overview. You just see the available surveys, and there will likely be some as soon as you sign up. I really do like that, so you can start earning right away. You see an estimated time, you see how much you get, and then there's a rating, and this is from other members also. So this gives you a good indication there also of how other people find it, the user experience of the survey. I do like that they have this system. There are not many survey sites that do have that. That helps you also choose the right surveys. And of course, the currency, that will depend on the country you live in. This is the currency of the country I'm currently in. But it makes it easy to just find the ones that you find worth your time. Of course, as it is with all survey sites, you will not qualify for all paid surveys. Sometimes you will told you will not be qualified, and then you just have to move on to the other one. But usually for most of the surveys, in my experience, you will find out within a minute or so. So it's not that you have to take like 10-minute survey to find out you not qualify or anything like that. And in some cases, you even also get a reward when you do not qualify for a survey. Also, I've done some more research and also talked to them to find out more about it. And they actually have this smart matching mechanism. That means that every time you answer surveys, they will learn more about you, so you do not have to spend a lot of time filling out your profile. The platform will learn more about you, about who you are, and your gender, age, all these different things. It will do that automatically, and that will then also increase the availability of paid surveys. But let's then talk about how much can you earn from this platform before we go over how you can get paid, because that's of course also super important to know. So when it comes to the earning potential of HeyPiggy, I was actually pleasantly surprised. I have tested hundreds of paid survey sites, and it does give some quite high rewards compared to many other paid survey sites. And I have even seen some surveys of up to $10 per survey. That is of course not very often you will get these extremely high paying surveys, and it's not in all countries you can find this. But overall, they do give a quite high rate for your time. And also I've been able to find out that they actually accesses more than 20,000 surveys every single day. Of course, not all of them for you, but this is just to show how huge an inventory they have. So in some countries, you will literally be able to find surveys every single day, or more or less every time you log in, if you log in a few times during the day. So new surveys are regularly added. So in that sense, it definitely has a quite good earning potential compared to many other survey sites. But let's then talk about how you can get paid, how you can get your money out, and how quickly you can get them out, because that's super important to know before you decide whether you should join a survey site or not. So one more thing, just before we go over the rewards, you can see there's different levels also. That's something I just want to make sure to also mention that I just forgot before, because this is a way to earn even more for the service. Because you can see by being active, you will automatically level up, and then you can start getting bonuses and you will get extra for the service. So even though it already pays high rewards, you can get even more just by being active. You do not have to do anything extra to level up or to get these bonuses. You just keep being active, and then you will level up and get the different bonuses. But let's now then talk about the payout options. So on HeyPiggy, you can go to the menu and you can go to My Vouchers, and then you can see the available vouchers you have. And this will vary from country to country. And in many countries, you can also get paid via PayPal Cash if you prefer this. In the countries where you can choose PayPal, the payout threshold is starting around $5 or so, or depending on the currency of the country you live in, of course. And also it offers a lot of different gift cards. Where I live, not so many, but in some countries, you know, you can also get like Amazon gift cards, Starbucks gift cards, basically any gift card you could be interested in. And some vouchers even allow you to get paid already when you earn just $1. So it's super easy to read by taking the paid service here. And I do like that it has a big selection of different gift cards. It has like these universal gift cards, and then it also often have these more specific local gift cards for your specific country. And then in many countries also cash. I think that's a great choice, so you can choose whatever you prefer. So to sum it all up, I think HeyPiggy definitely has a big potential. As mentioned, I have tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and it is rarely that I come across a new service site that I actually find worth it, because often they are just copies of others, just with worse user experiences. So, but in my opinion, that's actually not the case with HeyPiggy. So I was very excited when I came across this, because it is user friendly, it gives high rewards, and it also has a good selection of different rewards. Of course, that does depend on the country you live in. But overall, I definitely think it is a service site worth giving a go, and one that I will also keep testing and keep using. And if you want to give it a go also, I will leave my invitation link below, so you can go there and also sign up and check it out for yourself. Also, if you have any experiences with it, or after you've been testing with it, please just share in the comments below what your opinions and experiences are. Also, feel free to share what rewards are available in your country, so we can see the different exact rewards depending on the country you live in. That would be great if we can share that in the comments below. But overall, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.